Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to enable secure connections in Google Chrome on your mobile device. Ensuring your browsing is safe and secure is essential, so let's dive right in and make your internet experience more protected. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now, look for the option labeled Always Use Secure Connections and tap on it. Finally, turn on the toggle to enable this feature. You can also choose the setting that warns you for insecure public and private sites to stay alerted when browsing potentially unsafe pages. To sum up, enabling secure connections in Google Chrome Mobile helps protect your data and improves your browsing safety. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.